Abakiise bano okusaba kuno bakukoze oluvannyuma lw'omumyuka w'omukulisa w'ekikolo gw'eggwanga olukulu Thomas Tayebwa okwanja ennongooseeza mu mateeka agafuga ababaka bano nga banja ensonga zaabwe. Tayebwa nga aggulawo olutuula lwa leero ategeeza nti yeebuuziza ku mukama we ku ekyo ekyabadde olunaku olwajjo era kwe kujja n'ennambika eno ng'ababaka bonna bateekeddwa okugigoberera omuli obutaleeta byabufuzi ng'oli ayanja ensonga ye.
Established parliamentary practice that a point of order must only be used to draw the attention of the presiding officer to words used or conduct of a member at any time immediately after the words are used or conduct that A, breaches the rules of procedure or practice of the House, B, contradicts a previous decision of the House. A member should not make a political statement, raise a matter of national importance, or any other matter under the guise of a point of procedure. I repeat, a member should not make political statements, raise matters of national importance, or any other matter under the guise of a point of procedure.
Ono era ajjukizza ne ku nnambika omubaka gy'aba alina oba gy'aba ayagala okwanja ng'etambula n'ebyo ebiba bigenda mu maaso akaseera ako. Wabula bagumizza nga bwe bakimanyi nti mulimu abakiise abakyali abapya nga beetaaga okunyigibwa ku liiso.
Therefore, I want to inform you that a point of procedure will only be applying on matters that are going on the floor and are within our rules of procedure. The Constitution is not our rules of procedure. The Local Government Act is not our rules of procedure. Our rules of procedure are just for conducting business here. They are not laws, they are rules for helping us to conduct business.
Abamu ku babaka balaze okutya ku nnambika eno ne balaga nga bwe bagenda okuggiwako eddembe lyabwe ery'okwanja kye baagala.
And report here. How can I remind him? Because the guidance you have told us, it is about the order, about the points of order and the point of procedure, how we can rise up. Now what happens in the situation when we have to remind them that you have to respond to this and this and this?
Purpose of having predictability, that should be in writing. We have been following these rules of procedure. If the speakers see that there is need to amend, there must be something that is in black and white that each and every member can then follow. We cannot be subjected to the moods of the day so that you don't know what the speaker is thinking today. Should I do this? Should I do this?
There is a danger, honorable colleagues, in ambushing the House with important issues when they are not on the order paper or they have not been raised with the speaker. There are other ways that we can use to bring these issues to be debated by the House.
Mu bufuwe bumu abalala basabye bategekebweyo emisomo basobole okusomesebwa ku bintu ebitali bimu omuli n'enneeyisa mu bantu ng'abakulembeze.
We as backbenchers, we wished to have an in-house with our speaker and we talk issues within the House here without the fourth arm. That thing is very pertinent, and I have good evidence of the Honorable Minister Kasero Mumba when he was our commissioner. We used to sit here, that was my first term, and we would talk about certain issues. Secondly, still training is needed. The training of members of parliament should go on with the speaker, because without good training, these are the challenges we face.
We as a parliament, with the Commonwealth structure, we should look on the structure of discipline, virtues, decorum, and I call upon all parties to train their people on their character so that we have people of quality. And Mr. Speaker, Honorable Lanya yesterday is one of the people who are banging with this table because of the issue of character. And Honorable Lanya must apologize for that, Mr. Speaker.
Wabula Tayebwa abagumiza ng'ensonga zonna bwe zijja okukwatibwa mu ngeri nnambulukufu.
In the meantime, colleagues, on a daily basis, we deal with your leaders. On a daily basis, I have received very many issues of members through the lead of government business and lead of opposition. Come and say, my member has this issue. Some members come directly, while others go through their leaders. You usually meet as groups. When you meet as opposition, say, but the presiding officers We have these issues with them, and Rob comes and he shares with us, and we love that.
Ssentebe w'akakiiko akakwasisa ababaka empisa Abdul Katuntu abasabye okugoberera ebiragiro ebisomeddwa era n'abagayizaamu ku bumu ku bwayiro bwe bateekeddwa okusaaka ennyesira.
If you abuse that liberal interpretation, then the presiding officer, like the speaker has said, follows back strictly to interpret the rules as they are. And that may disadvantage colleagues. Really, what the speaker is trying to do is for the benefit of all of us. And there's nothing wrong with you going to the speaker and say, I have this matter to raise. If the speaker is not being cooperative, by the way, you can bring even a formal motion.
Ensonga y'omubaka Francis Zaake eyabaddewo olunaku olwajjo okugaana okuwuliriza n'okussa mu nkola ebiragiro by'omumyuka w'omukulisa w'ekikolo gw'eggwanga olukulu Thomas Tayebwa ku nsonga y'abantu abakwatibwa omuli okusooka okwevumba akafubo naye era nga yawaliriza olutuula lwajjo okuyimirira okumala akaseera ng'omubaka Zaake agaanye okumuwuliriza kye kiviiriddeko ennambika eno okufulumizibwa. Kigongo kulwa Channel 44 Oluggulo.